we get off the black line?
We can just get back.
We can just get right back on the road with our scissors. Okay? So once you cut it out, you're going to turn it over. We're going to work on this side. Now, if you don't know what it looks like, it is up there. Okay? The other two things that you're going to cut out, if you want to do all your cutting first, you can. After you cut this out, you're going to take a black marker and you're going to make a smile, right? After you make your smile, you're going to take 2 teeth. I know hippos have more than 2 teeth, but we're just going to use 2 teeth. Okay, each side. Okay. My hippo's still missing something. What is he missing? Eyes. How is he going to see? Yes, 2 eyes for my hippo. So that's our hippo for today.
I want to make a hippo. And when you put your hand in, and you can hear the sound. The nose. The ear. And look, it made 2 ears.
Segments.
Was that? H. Can I see yours? You know what? And I see an H on your shirt. Do you have an H on your shirt?
Let's see. What did you say?
Yeah.
Then you color that group. Here you guys. Now move your tables up.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.